Excuse me. Deliveries are in the back.
I'm not a delivery guy.
Well, do you have a reservation?
Do I look like a...
Well, it brings me luck, you know?
I'm in the kitchen and I want you out right now.
Creepo. Screw you.
Hey, I want you out of here.
Kentucky Fried Idiot.
Why?
Paulie, it's Thanksgiving. I got a turkey in the oven.
Oh. A turkey in the oven.
Wanna hit on me? Come on!
You want the bird? Get out of there!
But you know I ought to count your blessings, buddy. You're still a healthy person. You know that?
I don't like your face.
I don't like your Z.
Kiss my...
Relax, relax. My ears, what are you driving me crazy? Both ears.
You're looking good, Doc.
Thanks.
Let's go. Yeah, that's it. Underneath it. Hurrah.
What?
Don't you ever interrupt me while I'm conducting business. Move your little chicken. Listen, kid, you lay off that pet shop day. Women weaken a very dangerous place.
No more fooling around. Yeah, but I really like this girl, you know? But I really like...
You lay off that pet shop day.
Okay. Women weaken legs, huh?
Want me to get you a beer, Paulie?
Hey, you looking good, Pete? Keep out of my...
Nothing.
That's right.
Maybe I was him with the wrong guy.
Lord, watch yourself. It's